Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill here on a rainy Wednesday morning. And I wanted to give everyone an update on this project that we've been working on. This is a bench for one of the new condo towers. And we started with a solid monkey pod log. And we've been shaping it, starting with the chainsaw, then moving on to the handheld power planer, and then the grinder with the planer attachment. So it seems to be coming along really well. We're pleased with it. And the one thing, sort of one tip I would suggest to anybody working on something like this is just to take small bites at it, to do a bit of work and then focus on another project and then come back to it, because there's 100 ways that we could have messed this up. And I think when you try to do too much work all at one time, you're more at risk to that. Whereas when you take some time to stand back, look at what you've done, appraise it, then I think your chances of a successful piece are much higher.